Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. This is from MC Squared Coaching Center and my topic na i-discuss ko po ngayon is Engineering Math Board Exam na naman po. So this Engineering Math Board Exam frequently asked question part 10 na po tayo and para po to sa lahat ng engineering students at sa mga magte-take din ng board exam. So ang discussion po natin dito is pang board exam po, multiple choices po. So, probably yung tuturo po ako ng yung technique, okay, how to solve a problem na mabilis. Okay, so if ever may tanong kayo, you can hanapin nyo lang po ako sa Facebook or sa Messenger, message nyo po ako, and then screenshot nyo yung specific slide na tanong po ninyo. And I will do my best po na masagutan po yung tanong po ninyo. So this is Algebra Part 10 and I hope patuloy kayong sumaybay, sumunod sa channel ko po kasi marami pa po ako i-discuss, hindi lang po algebra, meron din tayong trigonometry, plane and spherical trigonometry, and then meron din tayong geometry, analytic, differential calculus, integral, probability statistics, at saka higher maths. Yung higher maths, yun po yung differential equation, and yun na rin yung advanced mathematics. Okay, so let's start. So problem number 1, what is the remainder when p of x equals to x raised to 1029 minus 4x raised to 1027 plus 8x raised to 120 minus 32x raised to 118 plus 7 is divided by x minus 2. Is it letter A, negative 7? Letter B, 7. Letter C, 2. Letter D can't be determined. Now, class, para ma-solve natin, we will use the remainder theorem. So, sa remainder theorem, itong minus 2 na to, isa-substitute natin dito sa x. So, therefore, x minus 2 equals to 0, then therefore, x equals to 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung i-substitute natin dito sa x na to, class, ay value ng 2. Okay? So, substitute tayo ng 2. So, paano yung nangyari? By remainder theorem, galing sa x minus 2, yan po yung 2, 2 raised to 1029, minus 4, 8 raised to 1027, plus 8x raised to 120, and then 32, tapos 2 raised to 118. Again, yung 2 po na ito is sinubstitute lang po. So, ito po siya yung x, yan. Yan po yung 4x raised to 129. Yan din po yung 4x raised to 1027, yan, yung 120, and then yan po sa 118. And then itong 2 na to sila, galing ito siya dito sa x minus 2. Okay? So, dyan po siya galing. So, pag substitute natin, so we have 2 raised to 1029 minus itong 4 na to also equals to 2 raised to 2. And then, itong 8 na to, 2 raised to 3, kasi tatlong 2, 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 8. And then 2 raised to 5, that is equal to 32. So to simplify, by law of exponent, 2 plus 1027, kaya 1029. 3 plus 120, that is 123. Then 5 plus 118, that is 123 also. So sa simplified form natin, 2 raised to 1029 minus 2 raised to 1029, that is 0, plus 2 raised to 123 minus 2 raised to 123, that is also 0. So, ang naiwan na lang, the correct answer is, that is 7. And from the choices, 7 is letter B. Okay, so nakita natin, class, medyo malaki yung exponent, wag kaagad matakot. Let's try first kung ano yung theorem, and then matignan natin baka may ma-eliminate lang or may ma-cancel. Okay, so ganun lang po yung pagsagot. Problem number 2. At what time between 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock are the hands of the clock be opposite each other? Again, at what time between 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock are the hands of the clock be opposite each other? Is it letter A, 1:27:16.36, letter B, 1:30, letter C, 1:38 and 10.9 seconds, letter D, 1:35. So, between 1 and 2. So, initially, class, initially, so 1 o'clock, itong minute hand mag-move ng mabilis. Itong hour hand, mahina lang yung pag-move niya. So, sa pag-ikot ng minute hand na to, gagalaw din itong si R hand. Pagdating ni minute hand dito sa 7, hindi po sila isang line ni R hand. Kasi nga, ito si R hand, nag-move din ito class. So therefore, lampas 7 si minute hand para talagang opposite each other si R hand at saka si minute hand. So in this case, habang si minute hand nagmo-move din si R hand. Actually, yung movement ni minute hand, halimbawa is x, then therefore yung movement ni R hand is x over 12. So therefore, the minute hand is 12 times faster than the hour hand. So lalagpas muna si minute hand ng 7 bago sila mag-opposite each other ni R hand. So the movement of R hand is from 1 to 2 lang, and yung movement ni minute hand is isang ikot. Every isang ikot ni minute hand, isang number ang mamumove ni hour hand. So therefore, eto na sila. Ang movement ni minute hand is x, galing sa original position to the final position. Ayan, x po ito lahat dito, papunta dito. Ayan, x po. And then, ang movement ni R hand is x over 12. Since x yung movement ni minute hand, so therefore, ito po yung movement ni R hand. As well as, pag straight natin, ito din yung x over 12 natin. So, pag i-add natin, x equals to 35, ang 35, 12 hanggang 7 plus x over 12. Kaya ganito yung equation. Okay, so shift solve na lang natin or shift calc x equals to 38.18 minutes. So that is 38 minutes. So therefore, kung titignan natin, the correct answer is letter C. Another way is, ano yung last number na lalagpasan ni minute hand bago sila maging opposite to each other ni R hand? That is si 7. So 7 now is multiplying natin by 60 over 11. Yan po yung shortcut method. So 7 times 60 over 11, that is 38.1818 pa rin po. So diretso lang. So ano yung madadaanan ni minute hand? So the correct answer here is letter C. Next, this is an example of a mixture problem. How much water should be added to 20 milliliter solution that is 30% solution to produce a solution that is 12%? Again, how much water should be added to 20 milliliter solution that is 30% solution to produce a solution that is 12%? So initially, may container tayo na yung solution niya is 30%. Okay? And then magdadagdag tayo ng water. So the initial volume ng nasa container is 20 milliliters, sabi sa problem. So ganito yung case. Originally, itong container na to may 20 milliliter tapos may 30% alcohol solution. Tapos ang mangyari, magdadagdag tayo ng water, kaya ito yung arrow. Magdadagdag tayo ng water, ang volume na dinagdag natin is X, and 0% alcohol. Bakit 0% alcohol? Kasi sinabi sa problem na water. So kung water, that is 0% na alcohol. So that is sa water. So kaya, kung napansin niyo class, this is 0% kasi sinabi sa problem na water siya. Okay. So since dinagdag x plus 20, okay? X times 0 plus 20 times 0, so the new volume is x plus 20 na may 12% alcohol. Kasi sabi dito, 12% po ito, hindi 72, 12%. So 20 plus x na may 12% alcohol, so by equation is, yun lang, x times 0, yung dinagdag, 0 kasi pure water, plus 20 times 0.3, yung original volume. The result is 20 plus x, the new volume, times 0.12 as the new solution. So therefore, actually, cancel na po ito. Makancel kasi 0 naman ang result niyan. Pwede mo nang i-shift calc. No need na i-simplify. Diretso type sa calculator para mas madali, mas mabilis. Kasi pag isulat pa natin, it will take time. Okay? Kuha ka kaagad ng calculator, type nyo po agad ito sa calculator, and after nyo ma-type sa calculator, press shift sa calculator natin, and then calc. Okay? Shift, calc sa calculator. And then, ibibigay ni calculator ang value ng x sa problem na to. So yung X is the volume of water that should be added to 20 milliliter solution. So X equals to 30 milliliters. And that is letter B. Okay? Okay, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. And if may tanong, if may request, pwede nyo akong hanapin sa Facebook or sa Messenger. You can message me, tanong po kayo, or may tanong kayo sa specific video ko, pwede nyo i-screenshot yung part ng video na may tanong kayo, bilugan nyo yung part na kung saan kayo na may medyo naguguluhan. And I'll do my best na masagutan yung mga tinatanong po natin. Again, huwag nyo po kalimutan na mag-subscribe para every time mag-add ako ng video, ma-update po kayo. And huwag din natin kalimutan i-share po sa iba. Alam naman po natin na mahirap yung board exam sa engineering, at least malang makatulong po ako na masagutan natin ng mas mabilis. Kasi importante kasi sa board exam, hindi kailangan na matalino ka masyado, kailangan mabilis mong makuha yung sagot. Okay? So, patuloy pa rin po tayo sa algebra. So, our algebra part 11 will be our next topic and I hope na panoorin nyo pa rin po yung algebra part 11. Again, yun lang po. Click subscribe and also share to your friends. Again, goodbye and have a nice day.